Hey guys, Chris over here at Acevacuums. So today we're in the Leesburg store and we're going to be talking about Riccar. Again, we're still talking about the Black Friday stuff. I know we've been saying and making these videos every day on them. We just kind of wanted to let everybody know at home and who watches the videos kind of what sales we're having on what machines and kind of what looking forward to. So on these Riccars, the R25 Series, this is the newest Riccar style, so it's going to be the standard, right? The deluxe, and then the premium. Those are the best selling Riccars that we sell here. A lot of people buy them, love them. They have a lot of good qualities with them, good filtration. They have longevity, reliability, performance. Very nice. They have sensors in them that help protect the motors, the brush rolls, as well as the belts. Easy to change bag system, great filters. Really nice, a lot of nice features on them. On the deluxe and the premium, everything's controlled right on the handle. So you have a high speed, a low speed, and then you can turn that brush roll off as you're vacuuming across your hardwood floors or area rugs. So there's a lot of nice things with these Riccars. These are on sale, $200 off right now for Black Friday. So the 25th, the 26th, and the 27th, if you come in, you'll save $200 off on these vacuums. So we're having a great deal on them. Stop on in, look us up on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Check our website out, www.acevacuums.com. You can see all the specs and everything on these nice vacuums. Again, Black Friday, Riccar R25, great company, great vacuum. If you're looking for a complete home vacuum and you have allergies, asthma, any of that type of stuff, and looking for a good filtered vacuum, this is the guy to go with. Give us a call and hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Happy, safe shopping.